Hi, Jim here at OCRV Center in beautiful Yorba Linda. Today we got a 2018 Mercedes Entegra motor coach that had a bad encounter with something on the road here. Took out the whole right front suspension, a little bit of frame damage, core support hood, the windshield's broke, door. Follow me around here, we got some damage in the rear as well. I think he might have spun out, which would be a pretty wild ride. If you look back here, pretty severe damage on the rear, tore the bumper up, some fiberglass damage on the corner right back here. We're going to be fixing this. So we got a lot of interior we've got to take out, which is requires a very specialty shop like us here. Do a lot of these motor coaches, a lot of collision on them. So we're going to keep you updated along the way. There's going to be a pretty big repair, front and rear frame damage. Engine's going to have to come out of it. So we'll keep you updated. We'll keep the videos going along the way in the midst of repairs, frame, then into the body department, then into paint. We handle all your needs here at OCRV. Give us a call for all your motor coach collisions. Thank you.